Okay, so I've got a, wait, let me turn this around. Okay, alright, oh well. So I have a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it's got some plastic fibers in the door handle, and I had to use tape. See the brush paint? This along here, this is all handrail paint, black paint used on handrails. And I ended up coating this entire handle, this piece of the handle, and the backing plate back here in the back. And it includes all 4 door handles. So that one, this one, you can see the paint. And I had to coat it with paint, handrail, black handrail paint. The entire thing, all the way around here, the whole thing. So it is coated. They had like a little plastic that was coating it. This one as well, coating it in plastic of some kind. And there's like a, I guess it's a polyester fiber that's in there that sticks in the fingers whenever you get to open and closing the doors. And it's, I wish I could get a picture of the fibers. But I had to paint all 4 door handles because it had worn off, especially right through here. And it's a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. And this one is the same thing. See the paint on all the way around it. I want to find the fibers so that I can show you what the fibers look like, but I can't find them. And so what I did is I painted over them. You can kind of see the fibers just barely visible right in through here where some of the paint has really worn off. And they really hurt too because they like get in the finger and then they're just an irritation. But they don't really hurt because you don't notice it. But then it's just an irritation, and then it gets in the fingers and causes infection. But it's a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Again, I can't find the little fibers in this. Anyway, look out for that. And I don't know what you can do. I guess you can have them replaced. I had painted it, but then it wore off, so then I added black paint. If anybody else has any good ideas, that'd be awesome.